the hidden hazard at home. Every day millions of us reach under the sink, grab a bottle of cleaner and get to work. Dishes, laundry, floors, bathrooms, we do it without thinking, because that's what keeping a clean home looks like. In today's video we are talking about a hazard hiding right in your cleaning cabinet, and the incredible simple habit that protects you from it. Our skin has a natural protective barrier, a thin layer that locks in moisture and keeps irritants out. When we clean with our bare hands, detergents strip away this barrier repeatedly. The result? Skin that becomes dry, cracked and raw, and once the skin around your nail, called the nail fold, is compromised, it becomes an open door for bacteria and fungi. This leads to a condition called paronychia, an infection of the skin around the nail. The chronic form, which develops slowly over weeks or months, is directly linked to repeated exposure to wet hands and cleaning chemicals. It causes pain, swelling, redness, and in severe cases, permanent nail damage. Let's talk about what's actually in these products, and why your skin does not like them. Detergents and surfactants, the ingredients that makes things foam and cut through grease, are designed to break down oils and fats. But your skin's protective layer is made of oils and fats, so they break that down too. Bleach and disinfectants are highly alkaline or contain oxidizing chemicals that cause direct chemicals irritation, burning through the skin's outer layers with repeated contact. Fragrances and preservatives in cleaning products are among the most common causes of contact dermatitis, a red, itchy, blistering skin reaction. And here's the compounding factor. Most of us clean regularly, sometimes multiple times in a day. That means repeated exposure, with barely any time for our skin to recover. When the nail fold becomes repeatedly irritated and wet, it separates slightly from the nail, creating a tiny space where microorganisms thrive. Candida, a common yeast, and Staphylococcus aureus, a bacteria, love this warm, moist environment. Once they take hold, the infection becomes chronic and difficult to treat. Symptoms include swelling and tenderness around the nail, redness, occasional pus, and eventually, ridging, discoloration, and distortion of the nail itself. Treatment can involve warm water soaks, antifungal medications, topical steroids, or even a minor surgical procedure called incision and drainage. It's not just uncomfortable, it can take months to fully resolve. And all this, from not wearing gloves. The good news? Prevention is as simple as slipping on a pair of gloves. Wearing waterproof gloves, like rubber, latex, or nitrile, creates a complete barrier between your skin and the chemicals in cleaning products. It's the single most effective thing you can do to protect your hands. Here are a few tips. 1. Choose the right glove. Rubber or nitrile gloves are ideal for wet work and chemical exposure. Latex works too, but some people are allergic. 2. Line them with cotton if needed. If your hands sweat inside gloves, wear thin cotton glove liners underneath. Sweat can also irritate skin. 3. Don't wear them too long. Aim for session under 20 minutes. Take breaks to air out your hands. 4. Inspect gloves regularly. Tiny holes or cracks defeat the purpose. Replace gloves when they are worn. 5. Remove gloves properly. Peel from the wrist, rolling them inside out to avoid touching the contaminated outer surface. 6. Moisturize your hands after cleaning. Apply a fragrance-free hand cream after removing gloves to restore your skin barrier. Think of gloves the way you think of a seatbelt, a small, effortless habit that protects you from something more serious. Your hands do so much for you, every single day. They cook, they care, they clean. They hold the people you love. They deserve protection. Next time you reach the cleaning spray, reach for the gloves first. It takes 2 seconds. It protects you for a lifetime. Glove up. Protect your hands. A simple habit, a serious difference. Welcome to Rich Key's Healthy Channel, your go-to source for real research-backed health tips and natural wellness solutions. Here, we break down complex health topics into simple, actionable insights so you can take charge of your health, one step at a time. Whether it's nutrition, disease prevention, detox, or dieting, exercising the body and enjoying a healthy lifestyle, we uncover what truly works and why, without the hype. Because your health shouldn't be a mystery, it should be your power. Rich Key's channel is all about finding the unlocking keys to a healthier life. Subscribe and find your unlocking key to a healthier and stronger you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a truth that could transform your life. Disclaimer: the content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before making changes to your health routine.